Okay, seems like all of the seams where all the puddling was um was showing up. We have the seams that are properly sealed. We don't have any shows of bubbling or anything, so that's why the water's holding up good over the ponding sections, because the material is properly welded down. You can see the asphalt coming out a little bit. Like, for example, in this section we don't have the asphalt, but we do have it sealed, so you cannot lift it up or anything. But some of the corners, like here, you're gonna be able to see that you can lift up and the flashing is there. Those are the details that need to be done. Like, for example, here all of the asphalt is showing up, so this was properly welded down. Okay, but if we go to these sections right here, like the flashing is off, there's a gap, and this is showing me that it's not welded down. You can lift up the roof material. Okay, so over here too, on this corner, the details. This corner is unwelded and the flashing is loose. So here we have those details, and here on this one you can see the material is not welded all the way down to the flashing. Over the field roof where we have the ponding sections, everything is welded down. You can see the asphalt coming out from the joints. Okay, so that's why the water is holding up. Everything is welded down properly. Here there's just few sections where are the higher points where we have unwelded material. Like here we have unwelded material, and here. So this needs to be addressed along with the perimeter details. Okay, other than that, the water is not going through all this big ponding section right here, because all of the joints are welded down properly. You see, the asphalt base is coming out, and the asphalt base is coming out from here.